Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to make Chinese painting with OpenArt. So, let us begin. Before we embark on this creative voyage, let's ensure you are well prepared for the exciting journey ahead. To get started, open your web browser and direct it to openart.ai. If you are new to this platform, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link video below for a step-by-step guide on setting up your account seamlessly. And for our returning users, a simple login is all you need to access your personalized dashboard, where the vast world of design and artistic expression awaits. Now, let's dive deeper into the immense creative possibilities that await you within OpenArt. Our dashboard is not just a tool. It is a treasure trove of design options. To begin our Chinese painting journey, click on Create from Scratch. This action will magically transport us to a canvas where your Chinese painting concepts will take shape. On the left side of the screen, you will discover the prompt field. This is where you will weave the instructions that will guide the creation of your unique Chinese brush painting. Imagine this prompt: a magnificent Chinese brush painting of a powerful dragon, using bold strokes and vibrant colors to capture its mythical presence. This prompt serves as your guiding star, providing the necessary direction to OpenArt as it generates concepts that perfectly align with your artistic vision. However, here's where your creativity can truly shine. You can add a unique twist by employing a negative prompt. Picture experimenting with negative contrast, low exposure. For this demonstration, we won't be using a negative prompt, so we will leave it blank, allowing OpenArt to showcase its full spectrum of capabilities. The beauty of it all is that the choice is entirely yours when it comes to crafting prompts, granting you the power to create Chinese paintings that are uniquely tailored to your preferences. And if at any point in your creative journey, you find yourself in need of inspiration or guidance for generating prompts, ChatGPT is readily available to assist you. With your prompt in place, it's time to bring your Chinese brush painting to life. A simple click on Create will set the wheels in motion. And there you have it. Click on the image to admire its intricate details and see how beautiful your Chinese painting has become. Creating Chinese paintings with OpenArt is a mesmerizing experience that brings your artistic visions to life. Whether you are an aspiring artist, a seasoned painter, or simply looking to explore this captivating art form, OpenArt empowers you to express your creativity in unique and inspiring ways. So go ahead and dive into the world of Chinese painting with OpenArt. It is a creative journey like no other, filled with endless possibilities and boundless inspiration. We can't wait to see the magnificent artworks you will create. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.